हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं? उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। गाइस, आज मैं जिस टॉपिक पे वीडियो शेयर करने जा रही हूँ वो है ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना। तो गाइस, हम इसके बारे में मज़ीद इंफॉर्मेशन लेते हैं। तो उसके लिए हम गूगल पे जाएंगे और मज़ीद इंफॉर्मेशन लेते हैं। तो गाइस, मैंने गूगल को ऑन किया और सर्च टैप किया ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना। तो गाइस, हम देखते हैं इसके क्या रिजल्ट्स हैं। Who built the Great China Wall and why? Who defined of the invasions from the northern in invaders empires? Qin Shi Huang had all the walls joined up. Thus, the Great Walls came into being. Since then, the Great Wall was built, modified, or extended throughout China's history for the over 2000 years by the millions of the Chinese pupils drafted in for the task. Why is China called the Great Wall? All these walls, these of the northern states, Yan, Zhua, and Qin, were the connected by Qinsha when the united the China state in the 221 BC. The walls known as the Qingchang, literally long walls, but often translated as the Great Wall, were mostly constructed of the tamped earth with some part built with the stone. What are the 10 facts about the Great China Wall? The total length of the Great China Wall is the 21196.18 km. There are 15 strategic passes from the east to the west. It took over 2000 years to construction the wall. It is not a wall but a series of fortifications. Various materials were used to build the Great Wall. What is the Great Wall of the China and what does it do? In C220 CB under Qin Shi Huang, a section of the earlier fortifications were joined together to form a united defense system against the invasions from the north. Constructions continued up to the Ming Dynasty, 1369 1644, when the Great Wall became the world's largest military structure. Who started Great Wall in China? Uh, Qin Shi Huang around 220 BCE. Qin Shi Huang, also called the First Empire in United China, and masterminded the process of the untying the existence wall into once at that time remained earth and the wood made up most of wall. What is the China? How old is Great Wall of China? What's inside the Great Wall of China? Next, what are the three benefits of the Great Wall of China? Uh, but after the wall was built, the Numakid and trucks could no longer ride and introduced into the northern China. The Great Wall protect China's economy, development, and culture progress, and the safeguarding trading routines such as the Skill Road and scaring the determinations of the informations and the transportations in नॉर्थ ईस्ट। तो गाइस मेरी वीडियो पसंद है, मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।